Hi everyone, this is Real from Real News Forever. Recently I uploaded all Real News Forever videos to Lbrytv. Lbrytv uses a public blockchain to store all content and support a digital currency, LBC library credits. The user interface is simple and uncluttered. You can tip creators with your LBC and collect rewards. See now right here from this is another follower here. And you can see you can swap them. You can swap your library credits for tips or whatever. Publishes. Let's see. Okay, now I've just republished a couple of videos. I just reposted a couple of videos, but they all show up in a row, which is kind of neat. Channels. This is what happens. You go your YouTube channel. Your videos are currently being transferred. There's nothing else for you to do. And they've already done 688 of 961 videos from Real News Forever on YouTube, and you get a reward for that. And then the rewards, daily watch reward, partner, Real News Forever. I got my 90 LBC for that. Invite people, you get rewarded for that. And these are all transactions in a way. And your invites are there also. And then we go home. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at this PDF. And back to publishes. So this is the PDF from Lbrytv. And this is the original white paper. And this describes Lbrytv, a blockchain-based decentralized digital content marketplace. They propose a new approach called Lbrytv that enables a decentralized online content marketplace. In particular, it uses a blockchain to build a decentralized content platform controlled by the community, that means the users, and allows its users to publish, host, find, access, download, and pay for content with ease. Lbrytv introduces a new naming scheme that gives the users the full control of the names of their content and uses a blockchain to not only support a digital currency, LBC, and transparent decentralized ledger, but also allow every user to access a synchronized namespace and a global index of content metadata. So this means it's decentralized and you have a lot more, actually you have control over the algorithms. Also, you can make your own algorithms. This is public. It stores metadata about every piece of content on the network, creating a complex index of all published content. This index facilitates content discovery. The index is public. Anyone can use it to build a better search engine or user interface, reducing platform risk and making rent extraction more difficult. A public index also makes copyright infringement more difficult to hide. Proof of work is required to update the blockchain, so any censorship or rule changes must have a strong community support. The blockchain provides an in-protocol payment mechanism. Creators, developers, and service providers can be paid for their efforts. Verifiable identity becomes as simple as publishing a public key to the chain. So Lbrytv has been in public use since June 2016. It has been designed and tuned based on extensive real-world feedback. Approximately 2 million pieces of digital content have been published on Lbrytv and has hundreds of thousands of users. And we'll get to the point here. Now here's the conclusion of the white paper. Despite that the need for users to publish, host, find, download, and pay for content online is only growing, the common solutions users have are not satisfactory. They either have to use a centralized platform, this subject to their terms and practice, or use a peer-to-peer solution such as BitTorrent, where one has to face a daunting task of discovering the hash of the content they seek. This paper offers a new solution, Lbrytv, that allows users to create, name, publish, search, access, download, and purchase their content through a decentralized content platform, all with ease. Lbrytv introduces a new naming scheme that gives users the full control of the names of their content and uses a blockchain to not only support a digital currency, LBC, and a transparent decentralized ledger, but also allow every user to access a synchronized namespace, and a global index of content metadata, thus supporting a new paradigm of digital content distribution and marketplace. So that's Lbrytv. Lbrytv is a highly functional and useful decentralized platform for video creators and viewers alike. I've been on Lbrytv for over 2 years and just this month started engaging in the platform. I was highly surprised to find out that I'm in the top 400 creators because I've had hundreds of videos up there for 2 years. Downloading your channel is fast and simple. I will leave the join link if you decide to store your valuable video creations at Lbrytv. Let us know your thoughts about this great decentralized site. Please subscribe to Real News Forever for more videos. Thank you all for watching.